Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your bank account to Mint. So first, open Mint and sign in to your account. However, there's an important update. Mint's budgeting service was discontinued by Intuit in 2024, so you can no longer connect a bank account to Mint as you could before. And if you're looking for a budgeting app, you'll need to use an alternative service that currently supports bank connection. So when using any budgeting app, choose the official app and follow its secure bank linking process. Never enter your online banking password into an unofficial website or third-party tool. So that was the important thing to know about connecting bank account to Mint. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.